Gardyn Herb Hydroponics Review, Revolutionizing Herb Growing. Introduction to Gardyn Herb Hydroponics. Exploring soil-less herb cultivation. Overview of hydroponic systems and their advantages. Insight into the evolution of hydroponics and its impact on modern herb growing. Highlight the diverse range of herbs that thrive using Gardyn Hydroponics. What is Gardyn Herb Hydroponics? Revolutionary indoor growing system. A soil-less hydroponic approach allows year-round herb cultivation. Includes smart device, customizable LED lighting, plant pods, and mobile app. Optimal growing environment. Direct nutrient delivery to roots for faster growth and higher yields. LED lighting, customizable to mimic natural sunlight, enhancing plant health. Advanced monitoring technology ensures optimal conditions for herb growth. Convenient and sustainable. No need for traditional gardening space, ideal for urban living. Eliminates soil-borne pests and diseases, making it cleaner and more sustainable. Benefits of Gardyn Herb Hydroponics. Year-round fresh herbs. Continuous supply of fresh, flavorful herbs regardless of the season. Pesticide-free and contaminant-free. Grow pure, organic herbs without harmful chemicals. Sustainable living. Efficient use of water and resources reduces your ecological footprint. Space-saving design. Ideal for small spaces, thrives indoors. Health and wellness. Homegrown herbs rich in nutrients contribute to a healthier lifestyle. How to set up Gardyn Herb Hydroponics. Step 1. Unboxing and assembly. Easy to follow instructions for quick assembly. Step 2. Placement. Choose a well-lit indoor space, supplement light if necessary. Step 3. LED customization. Use the Gardyn app to adjust light intensity and duration for optimal growth. Step 4. Plant pod insertion. Insert chosen herb pods, the system automatically manages their growth. Step 5. System activation. Activate the system to automate water, nutrient, and light delivery. Best herbs to grow with Gardyn Herb Hydroponics. Basil. Vibrant green leaves, sweet and slightly peppery flavor, perfect for salads and pesto. Mint. Aromatic and refreshing, great for beverages and garnishing dishes. Thyme. Earthy and aromatic, enhances meats, vegetables, and more. Oregano. Zesty and robust, ideal for pizzas and pasta sauces. Parsley. Lush and flavorful, essential for sauces and garnishing. Maintenance tips for Gardyn Herb Hydroponics. Regular water level monitoring. Check water levels twice a week to ensure adequate hydration. Nutrient management. Monitor pH and TDS levels to maintain balanced nutrients. Herb growth observation. Inspect plants regularly for nutrient deficiencies, pests, or diseases. Pruning and harvesting. Prune regularly to encourage bushier growth and continuous productivity. System cleaning. Clean system periodically to prevent algae, mineral buildup, and contamination. Gardyn Herb Hydroponics versus traditional growing methods. Hydroponic advantages. Requires minimal space, ideal for indoor herb cultivation. Efficient water usage and rapid plant growth. Controlled environment eliminates soil quality issues and seasonal limitations. Traditional methods. Dependent on outdoor conditions, soil quality, and seasons. Requires more space and resources for comparable results. Conclusion: embrace sustainable herb cultivation. Transform your home into a lush herb garden with Gardyn Herb Hydroponics. This space-saving, efficient system delivers fresh, flavorful herbs year-round, enhancing your culinary creations. Enjoy the joy of sustainable, indoor gardening. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for our next video.